Sparkanauts TV.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there. What animals can we find in a farm? Do you know? Well, hi everybody! Welcome back to another episode of Sparkanauts TV. I got a little stuck in my song. I forgot what kind of animals live in the farm. Any idea? Well, not to worry. We're going to help Old MacDonald figure it out today. So welcome back to another adventure. This time, we are going to look at animals, and we are going to look at our farm animals. Are you ready? Here we go. Pig, cow, hen, goat, horse. And those were my farm animals. Now I would love to show you my pictures. Are you ready? Here we go. Pig, cow, hen, goat, horse. That's right, those were my farm animals. Now here's the part that I need your help. I'm gonna match the words to the pictures and I'll need you to repeat after me. Can you do that? I'm sure you can. Everybody say pig, pig. Now, do you know what sound a pig makes? A pig oinks. So it goes oink oink, oink oink, oink oink. Can you try that? Oink oink, oink oink. And that's the sound a pig makes. Next, everybody say cow, cow. A cow moos, right? So let's try making the sound of the cow together. Good job! And don't forget its udder. We can squeeze some milk from the cow. Next, everybody say hen, hen. A hen is a mother chicken and it clucks. So everybody show me your little wing and let's all go. One more time. Good job! That was a very happy hen clucking. Next, everybody say goat, goat. A goat bleats and it makes the sound baa. Can we try that together, little goats? Baa. Very good job, and that's a goat. Last one, everybody say horse, horse. Now my favorite part of the horse is its beautiful mane and tail. I love to take a comb and comb through its tail, comb through its mane in the farm. Do you know what sound a horse makes? Exactly, a horse neighs and it goes neigh. Shall we try that together? Neigh. And that's a horse. Good job, everybody! Now I have a story for you, and my story is titled Farm Animals. Time to take a trip to Old MacDonald's farm. Here we go. Who lives on the farm? Who lives on the farm? The pig lives on the farm. The pig lives on the farm. The pig goes oink, oink, oink. What sound does the pig make? Can you say it together? Oink, oink, oink. The cow lives on the farm. The cow lives on the farm. The cow goes moo, moo. The cow goes moo, moo. The goat lives on the farm. The goat lives on the farm. The goat goes meh, meh. Let's try that together, little goats. The goats go meh, meh. Hungry goats. The horse lives on the farm. The horse lives on the farm. The horse goes neigh, neigh. The horse goes neigh, neigh. I love that. What a noisy farm. What a noisy farm. Bye-bye, farm. Thank you very much. I think I figured out what farm animal goes on Old MacDonald's farm. See you next time. Bye!